Hello everyone, welcome to Manasvi Gunjalolu channel. This is Manasvi. Today's class is important questions of economics. Before going to the important questions, first I want to explain the question paper pattern. So total is 100 marks. This question paper pattern for the first years. Okay, now under this we have three sections. Okay, under this section A, total 5 questions are given. Out of these 5 questions, you have to attempt 3 questions. Each question carries 10 marks. 3 times are 30. Then next is section B. So under this section B, total 12 questions are given. Out of these 12 questions, you have to attempt the 8 questions. Each question carries 5 marks. 8 5s are 40. Then next is section C. Under this section C, total 20 questions are given. Out of these 20 questions, you have to attempt 15 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. 15 twos are 30 marks. Under this section A will come long answer questions. Under this section B, short answer questions. Next section C is very short answer questions. Okay, this is the question paper pattern. Now I want to give some important questions, long answer questions, short answer questions, very short answer questions. Please go through that important questions. You will get good marks. Now see here, these are the long answer questions. Total 7 questions are there. Please read definitely all of these questions. Under this, definitely it will come 4 or 5 questions. Now first question is difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics. Next is law of diminishing marginal utility. Under this law of diminishing marginal utility, you have to read limitations and importance also. The next is explain the law of variable proportions. Next is explain the Keynes theory of employment. Then next is various methods of calculating national income. Next is price determination under perfect competition. Next is, now these are the short answer questions. Okay, total 15 questions are there. Okay, you have to read total of these 15 questions. Now first one is explain the scarcity definition of economics, meaning and types of utility, characteristics of human wants, indifference curve, and what are the properties of indifference curve, what are the reasons for negative slope of demand curve, what are the sources of public revenue, what are the redemptions of public debt. Next, what is statistics, what is the relationship with economics. Next is what are the difficulties of barter system. First you have to write the meaning of barter system. The next is you have to write difficulties of barter system. Next is inflation, what is the meaning of inflation, what are the types of inflation. Next is what are the factors that determine the demand. Next is what are the exemptions of law of demand, what is the meaning of demand. The next is you have to write what are the exemptions of law of demand. Next is classification of markets. Next is what are the factors that determine real wages. The next is different kinds of deposits accepted by the commercial banks, what are the different kinds. First you have to write. Then next is explain that what are the different kinds of deposits. These are the short answer questions. These are the very short answer questions. Each question carry 2 marks. Total 25 questions are there. You have to read completely. You will get good score. Now see what are the questions. One is price, capital goods, wealth, consumer goods, cardinal utility, ordinal utility. What is cardinal utility and what is ordinal utility? Price line, budget line, individual demand schedule, demand functions, what are the factors of production, meaning of opportunity cost, monopoly, quasi rent, per capita income, indifference map, transfer payment, net banking, meaning of overdraft, barter system. The next is what is the meaning of overdraft, what is pie diagram, what is currency, what are the factors of production, clearing house, deficit of budget, what is contract rent. Okay, so these are the important questions of economics. Please read all these questions. You will get good score. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe Manasvi Gunjalalu YouTube channel.